Welcome to today's video from Luna XIO. My name is Alex Crustlin, Director of Quality Engineering at Luna. Today we showcase how Luna can be used in manufacturing to track assets and prevent losses in labor and materials. Though our scenario applies to many industries, we will use the life cycle of containers for auto manufacturing. The process is complex. Parts need to be loaded into containers and shipped from the supplier to the manufacturer's sequence center. Then, moved to the inbound staging area and to the actual point of use. As parts are used, empty containers are collected in the outbound staging area and later returned to the supplier. To ensure uninterrupted work and avoid over or underproduction, managers must always know where the containers are. With Luna Asset Tracking, each container can be equipped with a small, uniquely identifiable, low-cost tracker that's capable of lasting for years. By rolling out the Luna mobile app through your MDM, any mobile computer or scanner can automatically read and transmit data from these trackers into the Luna system. Any Wi-Fi router also becomes an anchor that helps identify a tracker's location. This way, you get coverage in a huge space, because wherever there is a moving asset, there is an anchor or mobile device nearby. A tablet on a high-low forklift or tug, or someone with a barcode scanner or a mobile work device. So deploying the Luna system is simple and cost-effective. You use your existing fleet of mobile devices and Wi-Fi access points instead of having to make a large investment into new infrastructure. And the best part? There is no change required for your workforce's existing process. They keep doing their jobs as before. But now, you're able to transform your asset tracking from the physical to the digital world, empowering you to make actionable decisions based on real-time data. Through Luna's user-friendly web console or integration into an existing WMS or ERP, managers can easily track any number of containers. What makes Luna remarkable is its versatility. You can add any type of Bluetooth sensor you need to gain additional insight into container status and have this information flow seamlessly into a single platform. And this concludes our overview. If you would like to know more about how Luna can help with your device tracking needs, please schedule a free consultation at lunaxio.com/consult. Thanks for watching. See you next time.